Any did more and some any na Jungtuni Frank Tego, I don't know Perez Musik, Nene, all kind of some at a 10 hour film studio, who do what the Ben Femians and other studio and Semini.
First of all, I'm working for someone. Do you understand? So he provides somehow. Somehow he provides. God always finds a way to provide. My last concert in the crowd, and still made the community.
The concert, the glorified?
Yeah.
You're owing.
About you, which today sponsor gospel concert in this country?
Then stop it.
No. The message has to go out there. The message has to go out there.
By the car, you are paying debt.
Oh, and your car become See, every thriving business knows how to manage debt. Do you understand? Most of these skyscrapers you see and everything, the people who built them, they didn't have the money to build it. It wasn't their pocket money. They couldn't have built it with their pocket money. They have to manage resources, bring in investors and things. You understand? It takes a certain level of wisdom. And you need to know how to manage relationships. And